Out of the side street, riding low and steady, comes someone no one expected. Leather helmet, polished bow tie, the growl of an engine, and a tail that wags with confidence. Rough, he rolls into the square like he owns it. The crowd knows they've just witnessed.
Corner coming up, nice and easy. And stop. Red light. Morning, folks.
Morning. Fancy ride you got there.
Thanks, just keeping the wheels turning. Green means go. Hang on, boys.
This rider knows exactly how to make an entrance and an exit. Nice ride.
Thanks. Just passing through.
Whoa! Did you just roll in on that bike?
Sure did.
That was epic!
Welcome back, champ!